Good morning, I'm just going to take you around the Buccaneer here and show you how it works. So, to the left hand side of the door as you walk in, as you can see, you've got your master power switch. I do apologise about the focus on the camera, it's the first time I've used this. So you've got your master power switch just here, power off, power on. Above that you've got your lighting for inside of the caravan and your awning light above. And then your offside light on the other side of the van. Behind me, you've got the 230 power supply for the caravan. You've got your voltmeter for the caravan, your water level for the caravan for the onboard tank, water pump run. So if you're going to run from the internal supply, you'll need to put it onto internal and hit the water pump, and that will fill the onboard water tank. The drain down valves or the valves you need to use, I'll show you in a second. If you're going to run from your external water supply, you need to put it on external and turn the water pump on. At that point, you'd have all the taps open, so it fills the water system on board. Above that, just here, you have your Aldi control panel. It'll always look like this when the caravan's been turned on and it's not been used. Hit the store reset button and you'll go into your options. You can turn it on and off. So you want it on to make sure the system will run. Next one across is your temperature for the inside of the caravan. So you've got down or up to set the temperature of the van. If you come to the right again, you've got the water temperature, so you've got it on or off. For now, we're going to leave it turned off. Next one across, you've got the option to run on gas, on or off. And then across again, you've got the power supply you're running from. So for instance, some sites will have 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt or 3 kilowatt. Here on site, we can actually only run on 1, so I'm going to leave it turned on to 1 for now. To the right of that, you've got this little circle symbol which shows the heating pump is running and the heating system is working. And to the right of that, you've got your mains power cord coming into the van. The fridge itself is very easy to use. You've got your power button here at the bottom. Power on. Let me just let it load up. At the moment it's on auto, so it'll go automatically to mains power. To change to battery, for instance, 12 volt while you're travelling, you've got the battery at the bottom here, you've got code 10 and a spanner symbol coming up to say there's no 12 volt supply coming from the vehicle at the moment. The light here is also an indicator to let you know it is working on the power supply you have selected. Hit the button again, you can go to the option to run on gas. When it ignites, you'll have your blue solid pilot light down at the bottom here. It is trying to ignite at the moment, so the blue pilot light is staying on at the moment. When it fails, that will flash blue and come up with an error code 9 just here with a spanner symbol. When you're on gas or electric, you can control the temperature of the fridge on this button just here. You can go to mains and mains auto. And again, power control for the fridge is on the right hand side. When you want to put the van in storage, this is the same on the freezer. You've actually got this little tab just here you can pull out and put into place. So it keeps the door open, as you can see, and again on the freezer you have got the same idea just at the bottom there. Toilet system, I'll show you next. On the toilet itself, it's an electric flush, so blue flush button at the top, as you can hear, and then your grey waste flap just underneath. You'll need to open that up when you are using the loo. Taps, etc., self-explanatory. Cooker system, as you'd expect to see, works the same as your household. Gas igniter on the front, and then your light for in the oven on the switch next to it. Hob, microwave, self-explanatory again, works very similar to your household microwave. And then you've got your water pump in the sink. Underneath the front seat of the Caravan, you've actually got your yellow drain down valve just there. So when the switch is in the up position as it is now, the water system will actually be completely empty. When you do go to fill it, you'll need to bring this valve into the lower position. You can then turn on the water pump with the taps open, and then that will fill the water system on board the Caravan. If you're going to run off the internal supply, as you can see just here, you've actually got a drain down valve just down here. I'm just going to open that up so that system drains down. You can check the amount of water inside the tank through that cap on top just by unscrewing it. I hope this video has been of some help. I'm just going to quickly take you around the van again. Hope this video has been of some help. If you've got any questions, please do call us on 01933 682 888. Thank you very much. Bye bye.